What's the meaning of corner shop? Corner shop. Corner shop.
Corner shop. Corner shop. A corner shop refers to a small retail store that is typically situated at the intersection of two streets, often on a street corner. It is usually a small-scale operation that sells everyday household items such as groceries, snacks, and toiletries. These shops are historically known for their convenience and accessibility, especially for people who may not have access to larger supermarkets or stores. Corner shops are often an important part of local communities, serving as a hub for social interactions and commerce.